The Supreme Court has further delayed the hearing of the Ram Janmabhoomi case, stating that the matter won't be taken up on January 29th due to the non-availability of Justice S.A. Bobde. The apex court had on Friday reconstituted the 5-judge bench hearing the dispute by including Justice Ashok Bhushan and Justice Abdul Nazir in the case along with Chief Justice Ranjan Gogoi. The court, however, has not announced a new date on which the matter will be taken up for hearing. Vaidyanathan gets us the details.
There was so much anxiety and anticipation what will happen on the 29th when the 5-judge constitution bench takes up the Ayodhya dispute case. But today the news from the Supreme Court is that constitution bench hearing stands cancelled. The reason given by the Supreme Court in a website circular, it says due to non-availability of Justice S.A. Bobde, who is a part of this bench. Justice S.A. Bobde, number 3 in seniority, he would succeed Justice Ranjan Gogoi when he retires by the end of this year. So it seems that he is unwell, so he is unable to attend the court. In fact, last week, 3 days, Justice Bobde didn't attend. He was part of this BCCI case also, that was also not taken up earlier. So tomorrow also, Justice S.A. Bobde is not sitting in Supreme Court. So maybe health reasons, that's why. So we don't know when the next hearing of the Constitution bench will happen. Probably next week or so, that will be intimated soon by the Supreme Court registry. But interestingly, on 29th, everyone was expecting what would happen. 29th was to be a preliminary hearing. The Supreme Court Constitution bench was supposed to fix a final date and also work out the modalities, how many lawyers will be participating in the arguments, each would be taking how much time, and whether it would be a day-to-day hearing. All these modalities were supposed to be worked out on Tuesday, that's on 29th, but it will not happen, it stands cancelled. So it seems there is a jinxed thing with the Ayodhya hearing. Whenever it's coming up, last time Justice U.U. Lalit was there in the bench, he recused. After that, some of the advocates pointed out he represented Kalyan Singh in Ayodhya hearing, then he recused. New bench was constituted, bringing back 2 judges, Justices Ashok Bhushan and Abdul Nazir, who were earlier part of the Ayodhya bench. Now with them again, 29 stands cancelled. Anyway, let's hope so. Probably next week or so, Justice Bobde gets well and comes back to the Ayodhya bench.